Okay, today we are looking at the new Stok.ly AI assistant, and we're just going to give it a bit of a walk through its paces. So we're in the back office, we're looking at the items table, and the first thing we did was ask it to show all Nike items with an SKU starting with NIK. So it produced a list of the items, all the child items that are sitting in there. And I've also found another variant. I asked it to change the sale price to $37.50, which it did. So you can see down here that it changed the sale price to $37.50. I then asked it to write a punchy sales-led description for the items optimized for Google and LLM search. So looking for search on ChatGPT. It recognized that there were in this first group of products, red and blue, but in this was actually a different product. Rather than being a trainer, it was a black shoe. So it wrote a description for trainers in red and blue, variants red and blue colors. And then it wrote a separate one for black shoes. I then asked it, can you provide the Nike trainers variants description in HTML with SEO optimized for search, H1 tags, etc., and markup? And it provided the HTML. And you'll see here that it's this HTML focuses specifically on SEO optimized tags, structured schema markup, semantic heading structure, keyword-rich content, comprehensive product details, aggregate offer schema, and schematic tags. So, and you'll see the HTML is specifically structured to help search engines understand the product. So using the schema markup, the product has multiple variances, colors and sizes, the key selling points and features, the brand association with Nike, the product's pricing information. Okay, now we're going to ask the Stok.ly Assistant to add in the HTML text that it created to these items. So if we have a look at this first item, we can see that it's adding in that HTML. And as that's added in, that's updating your e-commerce and automatically pushing out to each of the channels that are linked through to that. We could equally be updating one of the attributes. So for example, Shopify description or eBay description. So this becomes a super powerful tool for managing your products, pricing, descriptions, editing attributes. We feel that this is a total game changer. I'd love to know what you think. If you'd like more information, please contact us on email sales@Stok.ly. Thanks very much.